Hi everyone, Amos here, and today I'm bringing you up the BBR Semi-Finals against John. And before going any further, if you think the setting is a bit different, that actually I don't know how to speak actually, so I'm gonna put I'm gonna just put it simply. So what we're about to see is the recording of the match I had versus John, or at least a part of it, because I'm gonna say immediately there has been a disconnect in the match at the very end, but my capture I was able to continue to work, so I was able to at least keep my part of the video. So just gonna say real quick, like don't worry, like so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna let the video play until the disconnect happen, and then I'm gonna take over and go over the recreation because we did on showdown after that. So just little pull up ahead, but don't worry, like you'll be able to hear me. It's gonna be a bit lower, but it's the best I can do as per in the video as good as I can be. So I'm gonna let so don't worry, yeah, you still have a reaction and everything. So I'm gonna shut it and then come back when the video will be well at the point of disconnection. All right, we're locking the team and everything. Have fun, John. Hopefully we snatch that one this time, which is not very easy to do because there's a freaking Chien-Pao and Golden Go. Everything plans out like I wanted in Max. The lead is killed by 12, which is the lead I wanted the most out of everything. Here we don't waste any time, we click U-turn. There should be a volt switch if anything for honest play. Alright, also I hope you guys have put some epic music in the background because I will not put any. I tried once, I didn't like it. Okay, steady and hurricane. Don't do too much. Yeah, that's please don't. Please not turn one. Please not turn one, Scissor. You got me through, buddy. That's an awful start. No, that's not good. That's very not good. I have to stick to it. I have to stick to return. This is not supposed to play like that. We wanted him to U-turn, turn one, volt switch turn one, not he spam hurricane. Please, please this time, Cesar. Please, no double confusion. Thank God. Oh, that did so much damage because it was a crit. So it's I believe helmet. That's so bad for Cesar. That's so bad. We needed Cesar so much. He's helmet, so nothing seems to stop Spore at first. But this is bad. We needed Cesar. Alright, I think here we take the do I wanna take the deny bait? Florges is safer, Zoroark is a nice bet. I think it's no, I think Florges. I think Florges is the safest bet anyway. But like getting solo on Cesar is so bad. T- Taking two hurricanes to the face plus confusion plus helmet. We needed Cesar so bad. Okay, we have Toad's Cruel at worst. We BP here. I don't think it's worth going for the wish patch because it's gonna go then go. I don't know his set. I don't know if I can take a make it rain if he specs. He switches out. Okay, either he feared the scarf from last time or he just I think he's feared the scarf from first time. So we can BP and we go to screw here. We know it's helmet yeah, we know it's helmet on oh, on on the bird. The bird. To screw. And here we click a spore. Like yeah, I'm clicking spore. I don't care. Does he have safety goggles on something else? Perfect. We put the bird asleep, which is amazing for us. we're gonna set up lower spikes. Like this. We get the spikes up. Eh. Here we go, Florges. Luckily, it doesn't get just a turn 1 wake up. So I can get more value of my Florges. Okay, that's a... yeah, you hit the turn sleep as a bonus turn. So here I can moon, but I think I'm gonna click Wish. Yeah, I'm gonna click Wish. I mean, we'll try to get Scizor healthy again. You withdrew the Glamora, Goldengo, Glamora. And I think this is the turn we click Baton Pass. I don't think he clicks Sludge Wave here because he doesn't want to risk the Scizor getting the wish. Also, he's Black Sludge on Glamora, so you know he's not boosting item. So I can take it even as a opposing move, even if worse, he goes for it. But I think Hazard is why he's set up here, so we can Baton Pass it to Scizor. Toxic! That's annoying, but not the end of the world. Yeah, it's annoying, but it's fine. And because he's toxic, it might call its corrosion. I mean, here we go Scizor. We got the wish. Might as well. Yeah, we got the wish. Might as well take advantage of the wish. Okay. We got Scizor back on HP. Which is very good for us. I want to say you're not what you toxic debris. So I think I'm fine going for a U-turn. Yeah, I think this is what I'm gonna do. Okay. Spiky shield. Spiky shield, blocks. Yeah, that's a... Okay. I guess he's... Okay, that's what I use. That's what I use. Also, we know it's like something like match HP maybe. Because the Black Star took another term. Because it wasn't full right there. So he's not... We have an idea what kind of HP he has. I could just bullet punch, to be fair, but I think it's better to just U-turn out. You can just go into Toda. Yeah, it's corrosion. That's fine. That's good for my Zoroark. That's good for my Zoroark, because he's the one that is not boots. Same for Tauros. I don't want to do the Zoroark play because I don't KO Glamora. I could do Tauros, but I need HP on it. I think it's Totscrew. He's gonna poison everything on my team, which will be annoying. Yeah, so much for heavy duty boots. Not. I don't want Name to be poisoned at all. I'm gonna do the Totscrew Prey. Okay. Not sure if you wanna go for I'm gonna click knockoff here. Because of course I don't have E-Power, which is I am a reason for not being E-Power. You withdrew if it's Kilo. Oh, big knockoff! That's a good knockoff! That's such a good knockoff! I don't need to rely on Focus Blast with Zoroark anymore. Okay, do not click Spore here, Emil. Do not click Spore. Kilo is still awake. I shouldn't do the U play. I can just do the U play, I think. That's such a good knockoff. That's such a good knockoff. So here's spin or cough. Rapid spin, I could just went Zoroark. So no more spikes, but that's okay. We can just BP here. Yeah, U-turn. I think it's the same 4 moves from last time. So spin, U-turn, cough, and detail. I mean, he could swap out detail for like a fire move to hit Scizor. But at least the 3 first move are what I think he's still packing on his Cyclozor. Shimmy, so the Glimora. So we BP out. Yeah, it's gonna be an annoying Pokemon to fight. I'm gonna do Tauros this time. And we're gonna click a Raging Ball, like no predict. Yeah, no prediction. He's just gonna spike his shield too, so I have to just accept it. I'm just gonna accept this, or he can just switch out to Dondozo, I guess. Dozy. Is he helmet on Dozo this time, or is he leftovers? Raging Ball. That's absolutely crap. He's not helmet, he's leftovers again. That's okay. I can do the Florges play here. And I can just go for Synth. He might double though, now I think about it. Ah. Yeah, that Glimmer is gonna be an issue for my team. Switch out. Does he stay or not? Has I go Florges? Yeah, he doubled. Is it Glimora? Golden Go. Okay. It's time to know what kind of Golden Go we're facing up against. Yeah, I have to do a Scizor play. I just need to know what kind of Golden Go this is. Yeah, that Glimora is gonna be such an issue. Yeah, so much for my team avoiding T-Spikes. I just get Toxic instead on everything. Yeah, so now my spam of boots does absolutely nothing. Sizzy, he goes for Shadow Ball. What kind of Shadow Ball this is? That's a spec Shadow Ball. That is 100% a spec Shadow Ball. You can't convince me otherwise. Mm. Yeah, he's thinking if he wants to go for Shadow Ball again, because if he knows the damage, he could think I Google Zoroark. Man, I played too fast. But I think it was still my fair play of keeping Scizor alive. Yeah, I knew it. That sucks. Kilo. You know what? I'm still gonna play for him just not waking up. I mean, you could still think it's D-Knight. But I think it's still it's so risky. He can just wake up immediately. I'm not making progress if I stay. I'm just gonna go for it. Hyper voice. I'm gonna go for it. I need to make some progress. Like if I screw it, I go for it. It's reckless, but I'll go for it. Like you could still think it's denied, like me trying to just be cheeky and try to get my Terra off immediately, But last time I did that, it cost me hard. So maybe you could just take it for Zoroark. But I'm still gonna go for the Shadow Ball play. You double. Cycle Zar? Wait, no, I'm not going for Hyper Voice. God dang. Of course. Okay, that's fine. We sub here. We sub. Like, we know the damage. We know your Scarf. Not Scarf, but Specs. We're not going to be played around by you going to Cycle Zor next. Like, the damage has to be Specs. Yeah, a max PDF Scissor with Assault Vest. That has to be Specs damage, like last time. Yep. No, not on me this time. You ain't getting cheeky on me. No. No. Yeah, have fun dealing with a Zoroark. Now it's behind a substitute. I dare you to attack me this time. Focus blast immediately. I want just him to die right now. I know I can just go for 2 Hyper Void, but I don't want him to be cheeky with U-turn. I want him to die right here, right now. Please Zoroark. Please Zoroark. Please Zoroark. Please Zoroark. Zoroark! Dead! That's the rapid spinner, so we can spike again with Toast Cruel. Let's go! This time we have the first KO. I don't care how predictable it is part of our plan to go Tauros here. As free as Psychic Fang is, Tauros is the play. And we need to know what kind of Chien-Pao we're dealing with. If it's like Terra Dark, Clear Amulet, Choice Band, Life 4, Black Glasses, we need to know what kind of Chien-Pao this is. And we know he stayed because we switch out. Unless he's for some reason no speed on Chien-Pao. But he stayed here in attack. I don't... Okay, it's not Clear Amulet, so it's -1 attack. No Adrenaline Lord either. Can I expect that? Dark or Fairy? Dark! Okay. So we use the Terra right here and it's dark. Crunch! Even better! Even better! That's not choice either. So we survive a hit right here. I think here's the time we click I wanna call a double. I really wanna call the double. Not those cruel, not Scizor, not D-Knight. I'm gonna press. Sure, I'll take the damage on Dozy. I'll take the damage on Dozo. Can I still do a little bit of chip because I have a lot of defense and it's stab? Yeah, absolutely jack crap. It's absolutely the max defense set from last time. You know what? I wanna go for a bit more chip on my own Tauros. If possible, of course. Like, we're not doubling this time, now we're attacking. You double 2! Nice! We stayed this time! We stayed! We stayed! We stayed this time! No more double on your part! Take this body press! In the face! Yeah. You could talk. I think we go Toad. Yeah, we could go Toad and just get a lot of spikes now. Yeah, I think it's what I'm gonna do, yeah. Hopefully spiky shield this time. Because Tauros. Yes. I mean, I kind of also want to knock off if you think I want to go for spikes. Because removing helmet on killer would be amazing too. But, do I need... I think I value spikes. I value spikes. I value spikes. I value spikes. This is my decision. I value the spikes. Like this. I want to keep Toad alive. Florges can... I can make it this Florges play. Because Florges is the most expendable now. Yeah, I want to do the Florges play. Like, okay, yeah, Florges. Florges, he wakes up. Yep, Hurricane miss. Ball switch. Ah, grab Spike again. Also, it's very important. Like, I cannot also do like me being greedy and trying to catch him waking up and spore again. Because if you just double switch, I just lose. And now, who do I sack? Because it's something hard that is coming on me. I want to keep Sis. I don't think I need Scizor anymore because you're gonna lose to Glimora. You're just gonna lose to to Chien-Pao anyway. And I can still heal Florges on Kilo. I think I stay with Florges and I BP. Actually, no. Like I said, I wanted Scizor. I wanted Scizor. I'm gonna get rid of Scizor. Technician. Yep, Scizor. Florges can still be useful compared to Sizz. As he goes for a Make It Rain. And this is the turn where we go Zoroark and claim a kill. Because we know it's specs, so we know it's not a weird item. So we go Zoro. Yeah, Zoro. And this is the freest Shadow Ball ever. Like Cyclozar is dead. Shadow Ball. No prediction. And we don't, and it's not needed to do substitute either. The sub isn't needed. Tomorrow, yes, I need damage on this. I need this dead too, yeah. Absolutely worth in my favor to kill Glamora. Yeah, such a good. And here I can just go for the hyper voice because that's gonna prevent him from being cheeky, like with a Chien-Pao, let's say. Like it doesn't matter. I kill him at this range with hyper voice. And no more Glamora. Amazing for Dragonite. Absolutely amazing. Toadskrull, that's also very good for Toadskrull. Chien-Pao, that's the chip we need. That's the chip we need. I don't care, we do the Tauros play. We just need to get even more chip on Chien-Pao. I don't care if the Psychic Fang is predictable. Also, he stayed because we switched out fat before. Intimidati. Psychic Fangs. Yep. Survive. And here I go for Aqua Jet to guarantee the chip. I don't. If he goes down Dozo next turn, we Endeavor. Like this is what I want. Also, he might survive depending on the roll. I think we were like at 270, so maybe on our roll we can survive the Psychic Fang. But I don't plan on survive. Okay, Dondozo, right? Uh, is that two shots? Toros? No. Okay. But his helmet. We keep Toros around, maybe? Yeah, I forgot he still has the helmet. Or something we can do. I don't know. I think we sack Florges and go. No, not Toad. Who? I can go deny though. I could make the deny play. Because deny survive any hit and we can just roost off. But we might volt switch though, which is not what we. Actually, I think it's still worth doing deny. We have a lot of split def. We can just roost off the damage it does to us. And we keep more sacks in the back. Yeah, Evo switch out. Should do nothing. Indeed. That should be a Dozo play, I think. Goldengo. Okay, never mind. I mean, that's still fine. It takes more chip on Goldengo, and I can just claim another kill with. Yeah, that's the part where we sack Florges. Yeah, that's the part we sack Florges. He might double, but I need the neck alive. Like I cannot be greedy. If he doubles, so be it. He doubles. Okay, he didn't double. Unless he's zero speed Goldengo for no reason. Make it rain. And here we can go for another kill with Zoroark. Because, yeah, that's what I want. So we go Zoro Arc. I might be tempted to go for Substitute here. But I think Shadow Ball is just so worth. No, I'll just take whatever I get for the kills. I'll just Shadow Ball again. I kill anything. I'll just take whatever kill I can get with Zoroark. Like, no need to be greedy with Substitute. Yeah, I guess I die to any hit anyway. Maybe not Dozo though. So yeah, maybe it's worth keeping my HP on it. Okay, so that should be the what is it? Oh yes! Give me that kill! Give me that kill! No helmet! No more Rock Troll, no more helmet for the night. And no more electric immunities. My Thunderbolt is super free with Dragonite. Chien-Pao. This is the part where you go the actual Tauros. And again, no prediction needed. We go for the actual Tauros. He stayed. Tauros gonna be sacked. Does he go for a non-contact move? Or is it contact? It's contact. Perfect. Even more chip. Tauros goes down. Here we go Dragonite, always, because that's the only thing that can revenge kill the Chien-Pao. I would say it's in the range for us to kill with regular E-Speed. Yeah, it's about 20%, 25%. Yeah, I think I can afford to go for regular E-Speed. Regular E-Speed. Yeah, and he switches on anyway. Okay. That's good to not burn the Terra, because I don't want to be weak to body press like last time. Not bad damage. I wanna ruse just to scout what attacking move it has. Because I need Deny alive. If he's yawn, he's yawn. I just want to see what attacking move he has. Going for Roost again. I just want to see what his play is. Is it yawn? Is it body press? Is it avalanche? Avalanche, indeed. That's the Zoro can claim one. So no you. This is the part where I terrestrialize. I should survive body press and I go for Thunderbolt. If you read me with body slam, so be it, but I should survive one hit. Thunderbolt, should do half more. Yeah, about half. Avalanche. I survive this. I don't need to be cheeky with I guess I could try and roost in case he goes gold, but I don't think it's worth. I think I just claim my kill. I mean, he could go then go. That's the thing. So I could go Zoro if that's the case. I really want to call the Goldango. I'm doing it. Screw it, I'm doing it. It's so unnecessary, but I'm doing it. I was so greedy. I was so greedy. I should have just claimed my kill. We go for Hyper Voice. Yeah, that was so greedy. That was so greedy of me. I just so greedy. I should have done that. I don't know why I was so greedy. Nice crit. Sleep talk into. I'm gonna punish. Okay. Not punish. Not punish. Not punish. We are not punished. Alright, and this is the part where we disconnected because my internet crashed. So after that, we decided to recreate on Showdown because it was much easier. So I didn't put the turn like a professional, so I'm just gonna skip right through. I mean, we weren't able to recreate every play perfectly, but we played to a point where we were at least able to have the same result in the end. So just gonna skip a few more turns. Okay, so this is one of the night. Okay, what's this turn? Okay, so up this turn, then we play like a normal. I do this turn, yeah, because technically it was a bit more in range in the original match. It was like a 40% about, or 41. So I propose would have killed there, so you just sleep tight, just let it die. So it comes to an ending of Cruel, D Knight, and Zoroark versus Chien-Pao and Goldango. So here I sacrifice a Cruel so that I can get my D Knight in for free because D Knight is the only Pokemon that can kill Chien-Pao without dying. However, that set up a very uncomfortable 50% position. If I E-speed and he stayed, I win because Zoroark is faster than Goldango. If he E-speed, then go Goldango, then I have to let Zoroark die because I know Zoroark is the only one that can beat Chien-Pao. And the roll of Make It Rain at -1 is a 56% chance for me to die. So still close to another 50% chance. If I flamethrower immediately predicting Golden Go and he goes gonna go, I win. But if he stay and attack, I lose. So it was very 50-50, and despite that, like, yeah, I went for the very aggressive play of predicting Goldengo, and on that was the yeah. So yeah, maybe I should have just go for the E speed. Even if I went Goldengo, like I said, it was a role for me to survive at the range I was after the Zoroark sack. So that guy could just spam Roost. But yeah, I'm super greedy. Yeah, unfortunately, that's gonna cost us the run. Like, I'm not mad at all. Like I say, it was very 50-50. It literally went either way. So on that is gonna end our BBR season. John is able to advance to finals as we finish right here. But I'm not mad. Even after this sequence happened, I wasn't mad. I was like, yeah, I wasn't like this. Like it's I felt 50-50. But you know what? We went semis with a team that had a Lechonk. A Lechonk that KO'd the Roaring Moon and Vaporeon. And you know what? I think there's something to say about this. So we were really in a position where we could make final really closely. So I'm gonna take where I left off. I will just stop the recording there because it's pretty long video because I had to show you guys the but I recorded and then I had to show you this part as well. But yeah, I hope throughout the season you really enjoy like my run. I wasn't the big quality guy, but I did heard that you guys really still enjoy like me playing and everything. I mean, well, thank you. That's for like a big thank you. Like it's mostly of Pokemon's because of Pokemon, of course, because of his viewers. But I'm glad to have. I never got to play him, which is a bit sad because we never got the Aang versus Aang matchup. But but it's not a big deal. So yeah, that is all for this season of BBR for us, and I will simply find you guys again when I'll upload another upload recorded lead or something. Actually, but because I have so many people, maybe I can try something. Like I don't know, I'll see. So I'll stop right there for real, and I hope you guys enjoyed everything. So bye bye everyone.